am going to talk about how to make a light trap for collection of insect. So I take a box and paint it uniformly blue color because the light reflected in this box and it seems to be blue, and the insects I am collecting that are attracted by the blue light. So I take this strategy. You can use different color to color your box. Now take a holder and make a hole in the bottom of this box. I am making a hole in that position. After making the hole, uh, place a holder for the lamp in that position. You can see now the time for the connection. Take a wire which has a plug and make the connection that the wires are properly taped to avoid electric shock. Now I am taking a LED lamp and fixing it properly. So the light trap is almost ready. The upper portion, means the trap portion, is not ready yet. For this reason I use a transparent sheet to cover the upper area. Instead of using this, you can also use a LED bulb like this for lighting purpose. Now the light trap is ready. The upper portion should be covered with a transparent sheet. I am taking a transparent sheet and I will fix this to this upper portion. As I have to take this transparent sheet over when the insects are all attached in that portion, so I punch a hole by using this punching machine here, and all in both the sides. Then I will fix this transparent sheet by using this strand. I also make holes in the corner of this transparent sheet. All the four corners have like this, and I fixed by using these holes I have made with punching machine. I have fixed all the four sides by using strands and also use sellotape for support. Now my light trap is ready. Now I am going to plug this on. So it is working. As you can see, this is working. Now what you have to do, take a castor oil and brush and uniformly spread or brush the oil over this, so it makes the light trap sticky. This portion will be sticky and the insects that are attracted by this light will be sticked in this region. Then you can collect this easily. So I am not using castor oil right now because it is the daytime and light traps mainly used in night time when there is dark portion and all the insects are attracted by this light. So this portion I am not using, but you can do, because I am saying all the procedure that you have to do, and when the insects are attracted and sticked in that portion, then gently removed this region. So I use strands instead of using all over the sellotape, so you can easily remove the insects, and that is the procedure to make a light trap very easily, and you can make it in your home. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.